Whoa,
What?
they're here. They're here. On my thing, be careful. Oh,
Fine. Is there anybody else?
I only saw the one. Well, I was shooting at the fucking helicopter. He ran up behind me. Don't be shooting at the helicopter. Thank you very much, Green.
You're welcome.
Okay, the thing is that I needed to get that gun with 150 bullets.
Yeah, like
First.
the machine guns. It
Yeah,
did.
the machine gun.
It did burst smoke. So whatever.
Okay, please get out the person.
Fuck no.
Oh yeah, blues down. Blues on the deck. No,
Thanks.
yes.
Is somebody there?
No, 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 no. I'm gonna open the door of a sneaky peek on
The tree, the guy who is that?
I see
Behind
the tree.
that tree?
Oh, there's another one. Fucking hell. Should we shoot it down?
Okay, now we can get him. I will get him so fast. No one shoots. I will shoot him.
No one shoots. I don't have the bullets. Yeah. Oh, the blue.
Yeah, unfortunately, he's in blue. I needed to get the vest, not the helmet. Okay, anyway. I won't get the gun though.
What do I need? Some ammo.
Everybody will get the gun?
No, take the gun. You said you want the gun?
No, I'm not gonna get the gun.
Oh, I could have took the gun. Fuck that.
Yeah, thank you.
Too late, too late. Let's go. Move out.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe number 3 will get the gun.
No, I don't have.
But I really like this M24.
Okay. I can hear vehicle, I think.
Find that compound. Yeah, I'm ready for this one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, enemies coming. Enemies coming in. Over here, on my ping. Cannot fight them. I'm relocating, and you can attack them. You see my ping? They're gonna come up. That's a hill. They run the low
Yeah.
ground.
Taking
I'll take this high ground here. Yeah.
Let's see the
Yeah, I don't see him.
There was a couple of them at least.
And the zone is with us.
Yeah. No, coming now, fucking way again.
Oh, nobody from there.
I can hear gunshots coming from over there.
Yeah, it's like 100 meters away. The zone is coming, so they must be.
They're coming.
They must come so fast.
Did you just shoot me?
Shoot in your ass.
I shoot you in the ass. Can we not be doing that, please, mate?
Oh no, don't worry, it won't let me die.
They were just coming up the hill, and they did not see me. There's no way they saw me. And the oh yeah, I can see them. Another ping, over here, over here. Yeah. Told you. They were fucking funny.
Okay, got him.
Both of them.
Yeah, there
No,
were
just
two.
one.
There were two of
Those
them.
two.
But he died like intensely. Another guy in.
Yeah, yeah. I'm taking fucking. Probably over there. Shit, we've got another mountain over there to worry about. We have to think about moving out.
Okay. Got him.
Oh, they're down here as well. I'm not in.
Okay, got him as well. But I need to come to the zone. And there is this guy laying.
Winner,
I am finished.